you all, welcome back to my channel. This is Michu. Today I'm going to show you all a very easy breezy party makeup look which you guys can definitely do this party and holiday season. I have all my beauty supplies from Myntra for this video. I'll share all the links in the description box below, so do check it out. I want to keep this video very minimal, simple and ekdam satik, so without losing a minute, let's get into it. So you always have to start with prepping your skin. A good prep is really important to get that nice base. So I'm going to start with this. This is the MAC Fix Plus Prep Plus Prime. This is my most trusted product and I can swear on this. ये लगा के मेरा makeup एकदम last करता है, especially for events, for party. You want your base to be locked in. So I always like to start with this one first. Next, I'm going to apply some primer and I'm picking this one today. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Normal to Dry Primer. I think मैंने बहुत बार अपने वीडियो से बताया होगा because it's a good mixture of primer and moisturizer, and especially for winters you want your skin to be really hydrated. और जब आपको फाउंडेशन लगाना है आप चाहते हो कि आपकी स्किन केकी ना हो जाए क्योंकि विंटर है. You have to make sure that your skin is well hydrated. So I'm going to apply this one. और मैंने ना moisturizer लगाया था after shower, तो अभी मैं लगा नहीं रही क्योंकि already मेरी skin काफ़ी hydrated है. But you can use a good moisturizer after MAC Fix Plus and then follow it up with a primer. ये इतना प्यारा glowy skin, ये इतना प्यारा glow देता है ना skin में. ये कोई तरीका नहीं लगाने का, मैं कभी कभार बह जाती हूँ. जहाँ आपको लगता है कि आपका प्रॉब्लमेटिक जोन है, जहाँ आपका फाउंडेशन बहुत बच करता है, वहाँ आप थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा लगा सकते हैं. जैसा मेरा नोज़ है और फिलहाल मेरा नोज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई है क्योंकि मुझे कोल्ड है तो बहुत ड्राई हो गया है. Base is ready and now you can move on with your foundation and concealer. For foundation, I'm picking the Colorbar 24 hours weightless liquid foundation, and for concealer I'm going to use Sugar Magic Wand waterproof concealer in the shade 15 Cappuccino. मैंने ना बहुत ही अच्छी डील में लिया था ये दोनों मिंत्रा से. मुझे ना बहुत मज़ा आता है जब मैं मेकअप एकदम सही टाइम पे रीस्टॉक कर लेती हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है वाह मैंने क्या काम कर लिया है. This foundation blends out so smoothly and look at the finish. It looks so good. For my concealer, I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes and to the random places where I think there's a little dark spot or anything. I can just cover it with this concealer. Look at this, the power of concealer. Now before moving ahead, I'm going to spray a little bit of MAC Prep Plus Prime again to just set everything in. Now I'll quickly set my face using the Fit Me loose powder as well. It's time for my eyes and I'm gonna use this Smashbox Cali Contour Smashbox palette, and this is how it looks. I'm going to take the bronzer shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. Now for my eyes, next I'm going to do a double liner look. मुझे बहुत पसंद है and it's very easy to achieve. बस थोड़ा सा practice चाहिए होता है, but it looks so bomb. So I'm going to start first with the Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner, and then I'm going to draw a very small wing liner. So this is how my liner is looking, but it's very minimal. So कुछ fun करते हैं. I'm gonna add this liner from Lakme. It's a Lakme Insta Liner Water Resistant Eyeliner in the shade Blue. कुछ shade नाम नहीं है, बस blue दिख रहा है तो मैं blue बता रही, but it's a really good one. और ये मेरे पास बहुत टाइम से और मैं इसको रीस्टॉक करती रहती हूँ. आई थिंक ये लाइनर मेरा सबसे फर्स्ट लाइनर था लाइफ का, और अभी भी मुझे इसका पिगमेंट कंसिस्टेंसी और जिस तरह से ये फटाक से सूख जाता है मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So this is how it looks. And now I'm going to apply a small liner using this product over my black eyeliner to get that double liner look. कुछ goof ups हो जाए तो आप black liner से retouching भी कर सकते हो. Well, because this is how it's looking. I'm gonna do my this eye and I'll be right back. So this is how it's looking. I'm totally loving this vibe, and especially because of this product, सब कुछ change हो गया है. And I love the fact that these are super affordable and these are always on great deals on Myntra. तो मैं हमेशा Myntra से ही लेती हूँ क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ discount तो हमेशा मिल ही जाता है. So do check it out. To finish my makeup, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Eyes are done. It's time for bronzer and blush, for which I'm gonna use this palette. I'm gonna pick this bronzer. I'm gonna mix these two. मैं पहले कभी bronzer नहीं लगाती थी, but जब से लगा रही हूँ, it has totally changed my makeup game. I think बहुत अच्छा लगता है bronzer. ऐसे थोड़ा warmness आती है skin में और थोड़ा rich look देता है. I really enjoy applying bronzer now. It's time for one of my favorite part. It's time for blush, and I'm gonna use this Colorbar blush in the shade Coral Craving. मुझे ये shade बहुत पसंद है. मेरे skin tone में बहुत suit करता है. थोड़ा orange है, but I love it. I'm just gonna apply it on my cheekbones. I also like to apply it थोड़ा सा on my nose because it's winter time and we all want to look cute. For my highlighter, I'm gonna apply my all-time favorite product. This is the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I love this highlighter so much. I'm also gonna pick some highlighter and I'm gonna apply it to my inner eye corner. To complete my look, I'm gonna apply my favorite lip combo. This is the MAC lip liner in the shade Spice. मुझे पता है मैं हर वीडियो में यही बताती हूँ, but it's so good और Myntra में बहुत अच्छे ऑफर पे है. So if you are looking to get this one, go check it out. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna apply this MAC lipstick in the shade Your Coffee. Voila! So that's my party makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll put all the links in the description box below, so do check it out and go shop from Myntra now.
And now my love for you is so strong.